Hey, are you ready to reveal your dream body? We understand that fitting a full workout into a busy schedule can be challenging. That is why we compiled 20 fantastic 5-minute full-body workouts that are guaranteed to help you achieve your fitness objectives without eating into your valuable time. Our team of fitness professionals has carefully designed each routine to maximize calorie burn, muscle engagement, and overall effectiveness in just 5 minutes. Whether you prefer cardio bursts, strength training, or yoga flows, we've got you covered. Say goodbye to excuses and hello to results. Get ready to sweat, strengthen and sculpt your entire body in just 5 short minutes with our incredible collection of 5-minute full-body workouts. So sit tight because in this video, we will guide you through some quick yet effective exercises that will make you sweat and help you achieve your fitness goals. Let's kick things off with a classic. Jumping jacks get your heart pumping from the very start. Do them for 30 seconds on and 10 seconds off and repeat. It's a simple yet powerful way to boost your cardiovascular health and burn calories fast. Next, let's focus on your upper body strength with push-ups. Do as many as you can for 20 seconds, then rest for 10. Keep going until you've spent 5 minutes. Regular or knee push-ups, it's all good. Now let's target your core with plank variations. Start with a standard plank for 30 seconds, then switch to side planks and finish with plank shoulder taps. This routine not only sculpts your abs, but also strengthens your back and boosts stability. If you prefer cardio, try a squat session for 5 minutes. Just do squats for 40 seconds and rest for 20. You can make it harder by doing jump squats or holding weights like water bottles. For those who love burpees, here's your chance to shine. Do burpees for 20 seconds, rest for 10, and repeat until you've spent 5 minutes. And for our desk warriors, we've got a special treat. Alternate standing marches and arm circles for 30 seconds each, and do wall push-ups for 1 minute. Repeat until you've spent 5 minutes. Cardio lovers, we haven't forgotten about you. Try high knees, butt kicks, mountain climbers, and jumping jacks for 30 seconds each. That's a 2-minute circuit. Just repeat it twice. Need to unwind? Try a mini yoga flow. Hold each pose for about a minute. Cat-cow, downward dog, warrior pose, and child's pose. Want to target your core and burn calories at the same time? Do 30 seconds of bicycle crunches, followed by 30 seconds of mountain climbers. Repeat 5 times. And for those looking to tone their arms and legs, alternate between 30 seconds of squats and 30 seconds of hamstring stretches, followed by doing push-ups and chest stretches. We've saved the best for last. Do burpees, jump squats, push-ups, and mountain climbers for 45 seconds, each with 15 seconds rest. This is the ultimate challenge. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to acknowledge that everyone's fitness journey is unique. These routines are designed to be adaptable, so feel free to modify, skip, or add exercises based on your preferences and capabilities. Consistency is key. Aim to incorporate these workouts into your daily routine for maximum benefit. Remember, even 5 minutes of dedicated effort can make a significant difference over time. Stay motivated and enjoy the journey toward a healthier, stronger you. Let's get a supplement to help you with your workout. In the links below, you will find something